Hey everyone, I just finished grading your NC Final 1 annotations on Annabelle Lee, and I wanted to address some misunderstandings about the assignment. First of all, you were asked to make a copy of the document, the Annabelle Lee text, and then I went through a video with you showing you how to use Cami to do your annotations on a PDF. Some of you chose to just do your annotations in Google Docs. You had a way to do that. Perfectly fine. Some of you chose to print out the document and do your handwriting annotations and then send me a picture. That is fine too. My concern is in the quality of some of the annotations. So what I wanted to do is show you an example of a really good annotated poem and talk about some things that made it really good so that you can then apply those lessons in this week's text. Now, this is not the only way to do the assignment, but it certainly was an excellent way to show me how you are thinking. So this is one of your classmates' annotations. Okay, so if you're looking at this and it looks familiar, that's right, it's yours. Well done. Now, one of the things I noticed that this student did was made some assumptions up here about the topic, okay? I did want to clarify, when we are talking about poetry, the narrator and the author are not the same person. Now, some authors will write poetry from a personal perspective, but when you write about poetry as a student, you never interchange the term narrator and author. Be very, very clear about that. So we move in, and this student has made some observations about setting, and then carried that observation down here, and noticing that this is actually repeated. And why does the narrator need to repeat the idea that this happened a long time ago? This this student has created little stanza summaries. There's one here, one here, one here, one down here. This student also has asked some questions and then gone in and addressed the questions. You see that right here with the character and the feelings, the solution to the problem. And then down here in green, he alludes to the idea that the angels were jealous of them. This type of annotating, while it might look chaotic on the page, is exactly what I want to see. I can follow this student's thinking and reading from the time this person opened the document and started reading until the time this person was done with the Literary Devices video. Okay, that's what I want to see from you. Now, some of you were posing questions in your annotations, like this student did at the top. But the questions you were posing were very simplistic. For example, sepulcher. Some of you said, I don't know what this word means. And that was your annotation. As an 11th grade student, you should look up the word and then include that definition in your annotations. That shows me that you are thinking about the reading. Okay? So next week, I'm looking forward to seeing some more in-depth annotations. Those of you that got good grades on this, continue to challenge yourself as you read. Those of you who didn't make as good of a grade as you would have liked, I encourage you, challenge yourself, okay? Push yourself. Let me know if you have any questions, and please go in and read the comments that I made on your assignment. All right?